FrontSafe delivers a software solution, a TSM portal web interface that enables service providers to create their own cloud backup service offering on top of an IBM Tivoli Storage Manager backup infrastructure. According to IDC and Gartner, backup as a service solutions will generate growth rates of more than 30% over the next years. IBM Tivoli Storage Manager as the leading backup engine and the FrontSafe TSM Portal software cloud interface is the perfect combination of technology and a great business solution. TSM delivers the strongest engine for protecting business-critical data. Being the preferred backup platform for data center protection, it meets a variety of recovery time objectives. It supports almost any OS platform and application. It scales like no other solution and delivers very flexible retention policies. Incremental forever technology, deduplication and node replication are final strengths that make TSM the obvious choice when building a cloud backup offering. It's time for service providers to turn their backup platform 180 degrees around from being a cost and turn it into a revenue engine. TSM servers connect to the TSM Portal software and are immediately cloud enabled. The service provider can now deliver backup as a service through a network of OEM branded dealers and partners to the end customers, and the software enables billing capabilities and everything else needed for creating the business. The FrontSafe TSM Portal software sits on top of any Tivoli Storage Manager infrastructure and provides a self-service, easy-to-use and manage front-end, a business solution. The solution has been validated by IBM in the IBM Ready for Tivoli and the backed up by TSM programs. It includes a hierarchical distribution model allowing the service provider to reach end customers through a network of OEM branded distributors and partners. The backbone of the TSM Portal software is the distribution structure with very strong go-to-market capabilities. The service provider will connect TSM servers in the data center to the TSM Portal software, and now one or more dealers can be added. Each dealer will now log in and add one or more partners, and each partner will now log in and start adding their own customer portfolios. A very effective model to reach a very high number of end customers with few sales and technical resources. And the user interface is very user-friendly and take out all client-side complexity. Creating a new partner is a matter of typing in partner information, setting an invoice basis and adding the first user login for the partner. And now the partner is ready to log in with username and password. For each entity, portal owner, dealer, partner and customer, one or more roles can be configured, and it is very simple for each role to add the appropriate rights for the specific role. Now multiple users can be created with the appropriate roles attached, and even it is possible to simulate each user on lower levels. The service provider, portal owner, and also each dealer and partner in the distribution hierarchy can easily be OEM branded with their own logo and company details. Also, SMTP settings can be set for dealers and partners for the system to send status emails from the dealers and partners' own mail domains. Each customer can have one or more subscriptions, which is the same as one or more groups of servers. And subscription types can be defined to determine multiple ways of charging the service. Portal owner may create partner cost price subscription types, and the partners will then create own subscription types with end customer pricing. All tasks can be done from the client side with no interference from the service provider tech team. Scheduling backups at different times of the day is simply done by choosing the wanted schedule from a drop-down box. No technical skills is needed. The built-in TSM Portal reporting system holds a variety of different easy-to-understand reports. Reports can be found and retrieved for any date in time, and users may choose exactly how many details they want to include in each report. More details for more technical skilled people. All reports can be sent automatically on a daily basis as email reports to one or more recipients, or sent ad hoc to one or more recipients directly from the interface. For chargeback and billing purpose, all entities, portal owners, dealers and partners have access to a CSV billing file from the portal software. Users may check the columns they want to include in the CSV billing file to automate everything around billing. The CSV file can be sent automatically to one or more email recipients. All historical CSV files will be available in the TSM portal, and the CSV file will contain all billing lines including cost prices from the level above and selling prices to the level below. And the actual billing process can now be automated. So really, this is the perfect combination of a very scalable and strong technology to protect the end customer's business critical data, and then on top of this, the FrontSafe TSM portal software that adds everything needed to change TSM into a business, a revenue engine provided as a cloud service.